camera's about to die, so I have to go back in, charge the camera, I'll do one more video for the day, and then call it a night and go to bed. Get up and clean out the bin for Mum because I didn't recycle properly, and sometimes you get some extra rubbish and sometimes you have to slip the odd extra item in, like, what was it, some shoes, some materialistic crap, like some cards, but anyway, besides the point, I'll do that, and show you the aviary that's outside on this DVD / mockumentary / no BD, but a tale of a cockatoo and who's training who. Alright, so I'm going to walk back in. Is that where you're going to stay? Who's a big boy? Yeah. Oh, you're welcome back up. You're asleep. You're buffed up. Asleep. Asleep, Mortish, and puffed up. Oh, how fun is this Trinity? They're all, there's Diago, 2 and Gargamel. Grimly, now that's Romeo. Look, Whistler boy. Then you've got Big Boris, and then you've got Grimly. All in the same family of intelligence. The raven, the magpie, all parrot species, all cockatoo species, and all cockatiel species. And one of the species becomes into the intelligent family. Then you've got the apex predator raptor family, the eagle, the hawk, the falcon, the vulture, and there's an ostrich emu one with no wings, it's a running bird. And obviously I've forgotten one, like I usually don't, the owl. And they eat and kill things where these things eat and forage. The other ones might see this bird and think of lunch. Like the owl mostly is small mice and rodents. The eagle, fish, its own kind sometimes, anything, some trees, but fish, if they get it, most of the time salmon. Then you've got obviously the hawk, falcon. One of them migrates and gets these insects that fly up, the fireflies that grow their glowworms, then they become fireflies and they obviously fly into each other, and there's about thousands of millions or trillions, and just balls of shit, and they're just going eating for 2 weeks. Anyway, besides them, they're in their category, but this is the intelligence family. And I'm going to walk back in because these videos running out of space, running out of battery. Oh, now Steve Allen, oh my god, what the fuck? See, that wasn't Steve Allen, that wasn't. What, he didn't say what the fuck, he would have got cut, edit, because he probably would have got bitten. Because he just says, crikey, change these fuck to crikey. Crikey! God, he'd be like, crikey, what a specimen. Look at this species of bird. He's a beautiful war chief of a boy. A beautiful species that grows to 80 plus years. If looked and well maintained. I got too excited. Can even get a bit faster there. Can even bring my passion into it. Because I love you. And he's a little boy. I'm going to walk past you. Yes. I understood that. You love the video. Oh. I'm walking past. Oh, can I come past you? Now I'm looking at him, and I'm looking at the ground now. Oh, I didn't stay with you. Can I have one pat? Yeah. Now he's either gonna play chicken and come and have a little nip, or I can pat him, or you can play a game. They love playing, don't you? Yeah, see, smile. Play. Oh, he's a smiling boy. Oh. You can come close, it's up to you. No. Alright. I'm not doing anything. You can jump on my head for the video. I'll make it dramatic. You won't get hurt. Remember, any human. See that stick how I had it in the earlier videos? It was dangling down, so if he did fall, he goes downwards. As you saw, he didn't fall, he jumped or I put him down. You'll have to go back and see how I did it. But it's like if you see an animal, it's a bad thing. You have to hit it on the road, because if you swerve, you hit a tree and do more damage, and then maybe go back onto the traffic and hurt other human beings. So I'd always stop, and not being an idiot, Kangaroo Island, I didn't hit one kangaroo. And there was shitloads. Oh, you can come closer. Oh, how close am I? I'm very close. You're, oh, startling, boy. Can I have a pat? Now, they rather not from behind, because they know that. Now, this guy doesn't. You can use a fishnet for the small ones. You can use a towel, a sheet for the big ones. You can actually get a bird net and put it on a pole, like that one there. There's a pole here, I'm just gonna, and obviously, depending what size of bird you've got, this one here, you tell him to come in your hand, put him in the cage, stick, cage, point at the cage, and if you have to clip his wing, well, you get a sheet, you put it over him, you go up to him, you make sure he's comfortable, and then you can grab his wing and pull it out, and there's 3 layers of wings. Their flight is the 3rd layer, as it's more of a tail that's hanging down. See, the top layer is not the 3rd layer. The 3rd layer is, so that's a 4th layer. But the 3rd layer is the one we have to clip. So when you pull it out, the 4th layer I don't think we see visibly when we pull it. So you see 1 line, 2 line, and the 3rd line, you got to start just under it, so we don't cut a vein or anything that's fragile, just under it. And it's a feather, so a feather you can get a pair of scissors, people, and cut slowly 3/4 of the right wing, their flight wing, and he's a big happy boy. He doesn't stress. The other ones you can do it with your ringnecks, like my necks, these babies that come out. One of the males will have his wing nipped, and he'll be jumping around, as I saw a lot of ringnecks on YouTube, talking and having fun. Oh. Oh. Can I have one pat? But from behind, it's in the front, he's more, feels more comfortable. From behind, he's like, you're gonna grab me and hold my wings so then I can't fly, and flight or flight, they obviously gotta fly, so come from behind, that's that wing. Oh, sorry. I know that. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, I'm gonna step in my room now. Charge this for a second and do one more video later. Because you're a special boy. Aren't you? Aren't you a big boy? Now, I'm putting my stick away. Sometimes you have to carry, sometimes you don't. But don't be alarmed. A dog bite and a cat scratch hurts more. Please. No matter the size of the beak, they don't use their claws. Besides, if you had an eagle, a hawk, a falcon, and now we're in a different category. These guys use that for holding an apple. Oh. You know, I'm putting it away, see? See, now it's away. And I'll use my hand, I'll show you. But I won't come at you, and I'll go backwards when you go forwards. Yes. It's taking ages to put a stick up my pants. Down. Alright, ready? Oh, can I have a pat? Now you're forward. Shh. Stop. Oh, can I have one pat? One pat? Am I allowed? He's gonna nod his head. Am I allowed? One pat? Am I allowed one pat? No, you're not sure. Oh. And then take one step. It's okay. You're telling him it's okay. Stop. Sign language, remember, they used hieroglyphs back in the day. Made more sense. Obviously, you didn't get confused or hypnotized or used a stupid word that made someone else feel shit and you didn't even know because it's a negative word and you were a comedian. Not explaining this word. Oh, one pat? Can I just have... Oh! Oh. Can I have one pat? Oh, no, he says I'm a big boy. Of course you are. Oh. Alright. The camera is about to... Alright, we'll try one pat. You don't like patting for the video, don't you? Oh. Oh. Maybe this whole series I don't get to pat the bird, but when the camera's off, it's a different story. But what not to do, or what to do? Just gotta be patient. Oh, you don't want to bite me. One pat. Oh, one pat. One pat. One pat. One pat. One pat. One pat. Oh, I nearly got you because I rushed a little bit and you sensed my energy. Oh. He's a big boy. And he's happy. His mohawk goes up. And then he pops out. Oh. And see this little poo? Oh my god. I'll show you the poo. Sorry. Oh. Holy shit, people. That is so big, man. And that thing's so big. It's the smallest shit. And really, it's fucking microscopic from where I'm looking. Oh my god, he's above me. Oh no. Oh shit. And see, I could have acted even more. But looking up. Hello. That was a big poo you did. Now, I heard Laura Keys say spray shit everywhere. Parrots, they poo on massively. But I clean it every day and don't complain. Because my shits are even bigger. Can I have a pat? Can I have one pat? Oh, you don't want. Oh, he's a big boy. Yeah, one pat. This is the last time I do it because I need a smoke or break. Oh, stop. 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 Now I know how fast you are. I gotta pay attention fully. Stop. Stop. Oh, I touched your head. Oh, you touched your head. Yes. Oh, we got to touch your head and look at your soul. One more. I'll do this. Hello. Now, wait a bit. Oh. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh. One more pat. Oh, one more. Good boy. Oh, yes. That was the last one, was it? Oh, he's a big boy. Oh. He's a happy boy. One more pat. Oh. See, you don't like from behind. Yes. Sorry. This is the last one, because I'm not going to patch. I'm just showing you what not to do or what to do. Just relax around there. And don't go, oh shit, a pretty bird, and kept patting it a million times. Now a dog, awesome company, man and female's best friend. They can sleep on your head, neck, chest. They want pats 24/7. That's a luxury life for a dog. They pamper in gears. You see, she's having a rest. Doesn't run in here, and she protects these angels. Because she's an angel herself. One pat? Oh, yes. You're gonna tell me? One pat. Shh. One. Now you can't nip me. Oh, I got you again. No. Did I get you again? Alright, we'll cut. I'll get in the room. It's funny if you sleep there. I gotta turn the light off there. But I am getting a light switch installed in here. And there is two bright lamps coming in with that one going out. So obviously more suited. Window, perspex, two windows there, and perspex window up there maybe. Oh, good boy. Good boy.